is going on, guys, and welcome to RemoveICloudLock.co's official YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add an Apple ID without using a credit or debit card. And this tutorial is very quick, but you will still be able to make your account without having to ever type in your payment information. So whether you're young and don't have a card accessible, or you just don't want to give over your payment information, that's completely okay. So the first step is to open up your App Store and find an app that you want to download. It doesn't matter which one, just click any one. Wait for it to load, and then you will get a message from Apple asking if you want to use an existing Apple ID or create one. Now we're just going to click create one here. And once the screen pops up, just click create new Apple ID. Now we're just going to type in a bunch of information, get everything filled out, and then we'll show you what we need next. And alright, once you fill out all the personal information with your name and everything, now for payment method, just click none and click next. Now the only thing you do have to fill out is your address, and once you fill that out, go ahead and move on. Now just go ahead and verify all the information, your email, your phone number, and it will set up your Apple ID. So that is it for the tutorial, guys. This is how to set up an Apple account without having to verify any payment information. This video helped you guys, and please leave a like. And signing off is Drake with the RemoveICloudLock.co's YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.